Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is the Walmart grocery haul and the weekly meal plan. Now before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know if you're going to be picking up any of these items this week, or let me know what kind of meals you're going to be planning also. And I'm not going to show y'all the notebook that I write down my meal plan because it's actually in the car and I left it. But I'm going to make some beef stroganoff. There's going to be shake and bake pork chops. We're going to have some chicken, some stuffed chicken, mozzarella chicken. And then we'll have leftovers and breakfast. So over here, we got some egg noodles for the beef stroganoff. Jared wanted some apples. We got bananas and strawberries for me. The cream of mushroom for the stroganoff. I got a drink. Jared got a drink. We needed some extra virgin olive oil. Jared's sister gets WIC because she has a little boy, and she gets the WIC. It's like wheat bread or something like that. So she gets 2 of them on the WIC. So she doesn't eat all of it. So she said that we can have a pack of loaf. So we got that. Jared wanted some grilled cheese. So we got some Texas toast. We picked up this toilet bowl cleaner. Girl Scout cookies. I wasn't going to buy any, but I said if they were still out there, I will go and buy some cookies. These are not our favorite, but we got shortbread and our s'mores. We usually like the coconut ones and the lemon. So, but we supported them. We bought some cookies and we don't need them, but we still did. Got some garlic, mozzarella cheese for the stuffed chicken. We got some butter and then shake and bake. I don't know if I already said that, but this is everything that we are having this week. Let me know down below if anything fancies you, and let me know if you tried any of these recipes. Also, all the recipes that I mentioned. And be sure to like and subscribe down below. I love to meet with you guys, and I love watching cooking videos also. So if you have a channel, let me know that also. But anyways, have a great week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.